Okay, I'm here with Chef Gabriella. She's making homemade pizzas. Gabby, tell us what you're doing there.
I'm spreading the sauce right now.
Okay.
Now we need some cheese.
You gotta put lots of cheese so it can cook. Just be careful, don't spill.
Gotta spread it all over the pizza. Most of the people, it ain't a pizza without the cheese. Now we need.
No. Gotta put more cheese because it's gotta be a whole pizza.
Yep.
It's gotta be full.
Yep.
So you
So
gotta
just
put a
spread it
lot of
around.
cheese. Oh, make sure the whole sauce is covered.
Yep.
Okay. Then you put, what are you gonna put now?
Pepperonis.
Pepperonis.